How to replace a Human Touch Novo XT Pro Plus Backrest Actuator. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, 6mm Allen wrench, 13mm open wrench, wire cutter, and a zip tie. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that secure the rear shroud to the chair. Pull the shroud toward you to detach it, rotate it clockwise, then rest it on the floor. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that secure the PCB tray to the chair. Slide the rear shroud back into position. Gently tip the chair onto its left-hand side. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 5 screws that secure the lower front plastic cover. Remove the cover. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that secure the upper front plastic cover. Remove the cover. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw and washer that secure the ground wires to the chair. Using a 13mm open wrench on the top and a 6mm Allen wrench on the bottom, remove the nut and bolt that secure the front of the actuator. Slide the actuator out of the mounting point, then remove the metal insert. Push the chair frame to the rear to provide additional clearance at the rear of the actuator. Using a 6mm Allen wrench on the bottom and a 13mm open wrench on the top, remove the nut and bolt that secure the rear of the actuator. Push the PCB tray to provide additional clearance. Pull the actuator out of the rear mounting point, then remove the metal insert. Cut the zip tie that secures the actuator cables together. Thread a screwdriver shaft through the holes in the connector junction box, then pry the box cover off. Disconnect the white backrest actuator connectors, then remove the actuator. Now, let's replace it. Place the actuator into position with the motor facing down, remove the twist tie that secures the rear inserts, then align the rear mounting points. Replace the rear bolt from the bottom, then replace and hand tighten the nut. Use a 13mm open wrench on top and a 6mm Allen wrench on the bottom to finish tightening the nut. Move the chair frame forward to align the front mounting points. Remove the twist tie that secures the front inserts. Align the mounting points, then replace the bolt from the bottom. Replace and hand tighten the nut. Use a 13mm open wrench on top and a 6mm Allen wrench on the bottom to finish tightening the nut. Connect the actuator cable to the white connector from the chair. Position all of the actuator connectors inside the junction box, with the cables running in one side of the box and out the other, then snap the junction box lid into place. Replace the zip tie to secure the cables together to the left of the junction box. Cut the excess zip tie. Place both ground wire loops onto the ground wire screw, followed by the washer, then replace and hand tighten the screw. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to finish tightening the screw. Place the upper front cover into position, then replace the 3 screws to secure it. Place the lower front cover into position, then replace and partially tighten the first 4 screws. Replace and fully tighten the 5th screw, then finish tightening the other 4 screws. Gently return the chair to the upright position. Remove the rear shroud, rotate it clockwise, then rest it on the floor. Replace the 2 screws to secure the PCB tray. Note the slots on each side of the chair. Slide the rear shroud into position, with the edges installed in the slots. Confirm that both edges are installed in the slots, adjusting them if necessary. Replace the 3 screws to secure the rear shroud. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.